Welcome to Math Challenge 345. In Math Challenge, we bring you important questions for Olympiads, railway staff selection, banking recruitment, public service examinations, mathematical and numerical aptitude tests, and all competitive examinations. So in Math Challenge 345, we have been given a hexagon, each side of length y. Hexagon, each side length y units is placed inside a square. So we have outside a square and inside a hexagon, but asymmetrically placed, although all the sides of the hexagon are equal. And we have to find the length y, provided the square is of unit length. The square is of unit length. That means each side of the square is 1 unit and the hexagon is placed. Each side of the hexagon is y units and we have to find the value of y. Let us see how we can do it. Now look at the blinking lines. The red blinking lines, horizontally and vertically, the red blinking lines, that is the sides of the square, each is 1 unit in length. So the height is 1 unit, the width is 1 unit. See the red dotted line. And the blue blinking lines, see the blue dotted line blinking, that is the side of the hexagon, that is y units. So side of the hexagon given by the blinking blue dotted line y units, and side of the square given by the dotted blinking red line, that is 1 unit. Now look at the blinking black lines, and they are the base and height of a right angle triangle. So each side is 1 minus y and the hypotenuse is y. You can see the right angle triangle shaded. The base is 1 minus y, that is the red line minus blue line, and the height is also 1 minus y, red line minus blue line. So we get a right angle triangle, base 1 minus y, height 1 minus y, and hypotenuse y, because hypotenuse is the side of the hexagon. So hypotenuse y. So from the right angle triangle by Pythagoras theorem, height square plus base square equal to hypotenuse square, or 1 minus y whole square plus 1 minus y whole square equal to y square. Now we will solve this equation. So we got 1 minus y whole square plus 1 minus y whole square equal to y square. So we expand 1 minus y whole square using the a minus b whole square formula, and finally we get y square minus 4y plus 2 equal to 0. Now this we are going to solve using the quadratic equation formula. Minus b, b is 4, so minus b will be 4 plus minus under square root b square minus 4ac, b square will be minus 4 whole square 16, and 4ac, 4 into 2, that is 8. So we get 4 plus minus square root of 16 minus 8 whole divided by 2, that is 4 plus minus root 8 by 2. Now square root of 8 is 2 root 2. So 4 plus minus 2 root 2 whole by 2, that is 2 plus minus root 2. Now of the two solutions, 2 plus root 2 and 2 minus root 2, one of them will be invalid. Why? Because 2 plus root 2 will be greater than 1, and the hexagon side will be greater than the side of the square, which is impossible because hexagon is inside the square. So the side of the hexagon must be less than the side of the square. So 2 plus root 2 would be violating this rule. The side of the square is 1 and the side of the hexagon is more than 1. So we take 2 minus root 2. So the side of the hexagon is 2 minus root 2. You can either keep the answer as it is or substitute the value for root 2 as 1.414. So 2 minus 1.414, that will give you 0.586 units approximately. So that is how we solve the Math Challenge 345.
Was that interesting? If you have any other method, we would love to learn from you. We shall come back with more interesting videos. Like, share the videos, and subscribe to our channel if you are a math lover. Till then, goodbye.